Regardless of what niche, industry, or what business you have, you need a way to engage your customers. You need a way to cut through the competition and a way to grab their attention. Now, of course, social media is one of the best places to find customers, to find prospects, but it's only going to work if you can stand out from everybody else. So if you're looking for a great way to create awesome, incredible graphics without needing to learn Photoshop, without needing any complicated skills or having to pay expensive freelancers, then you're going to absolutely love today's marketplace deal. Hey, what's going on? Dan here with your JVZoo team. And today we're incredibly excited to get to tell you all about InstaDesignPro. InstaDesignPro allows you to create hundreds of incredible graphics at the touch of a button. Now, you can start, of course, with one of their pre-created templates, and everything is able to be edited. You can edit the text, you can edit the background, the images, buttons. Everything you see on those templates can be completely customizable. Now, as well as all of the royalty-free graphics that are included in InstaDesignPro, you're going to be able to upload your own content. This is going to allow you to create the best graphics for your business. You see, many people use Photoshop, or they pay expensive freelancers who have the skills and the knowledge to know how to do it. You see, personally, I quite like Photoshop, but only because it's taken me years to learn how to use it. And even now, there are certain functions that I still don't even understand. So unless you want to start learning all of that, or you want to pay someone else to do it for you, you're going to need a clever tool that allows you to create insane graphics. Now, I hear what you're saying. There's lots of tools out there. Lots of these tools that you can use to create graphics. Some of them good tools, some of them very basic tools, some of them free, some of them crazy expensive. But you see, what we really love about InstaDesignPro isn't even the builder. That's pretty fantastic. But our favorite part by a country mile is the spinner. You see, you're going to be able to create your design. You can download it in any of the most popular formats, whether or not you're wanting to put something out on Facebook or Instagram. Maybe even you want to do a YouTube thumbnail. You're going to be able to do that right inside the software. But then, with one button, you're going to be able to spin that and create multiple versions of that design. Let me show you how this works. Let's take this design here that we've got and go ahead and enter it into the spinner. Now, I want it to change a couple of key elements so that the general feel is the same. The text, that remains the same, but we have lots of different varieties. Now, this is really awesome if you're working with clients, because often there's a big process of going back and forth with revisions. Can we change this? Can we do that? Well, this allows you to create hundreds of different options that you can present to a client with the commercial license that's included on the front end to actually make great sales. And of course, you can use this in your own business as well. You can create hundreds of different variations of your ads and then see which one performs best. Does red outperform green? Is yellow getting people to stop scrolling and pay attention to you? And all of that you can do in just minutes. Now, as I mentioned, during this very special and indeed limited JVZoo launch, you're going to be able to pick up the commercial license so you can actually sell these to other businesses. You're going to be able to get the free AI spinner so you can create hundreds of variations of your design in just a few clicks. And really, it has never been simpler to use this platform. It's simple, it's drag and drop, you can upload your own content. There's a humongous library of included assets, everything you need to create great designs. So, whatever business you're in, whatever niche you're in, you know social medias are important. You know social media is where the majority of your customers, they probably already hang out. Your job is to get them to pay attention to you, and with InstaDesignPro, this is going to be easier than ever before. As always, full information will be down below this video, and I encourage you to drop down there, check out the full demo video, watch this in action, and see just why this package is going to make social media become easier than ever before.